Want to talk about framing details. We've got our door frame here assembled, we've got our door sill here, and we've got a sleeper sill. So a sleeper sill is when the surface that the door sill will sit on is lower than the interior flooring surface. And this is not even the interior flooring surface, this is the interior slab. So here's where the door sill is going to sit, and you can see it is lower than the interior slab. We came back in and poured leveler in here yesterday, so this is perfectly flat. It got a little bit of touch up with the grinder. Perfectly flat here, and the door sill is going to be lower than the interior flooring. Say they do 3/8 of an inch flooring in here, or they want to go 3/4 hardwood, or they want to use carpet, whatever it is, no matter what it is, it's going to be higher than it would typically if we just set the door on the same plane as the interior subfloor. So that's a sleeper sill. It's lower than the interior surface.